Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Vechain can see a bit of a bounce in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.01798 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and today we have seen a massive breakdown to the lower side in what I've been terming as the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that now Vechain has a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas, assuming that we are not going to see one more new low in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.022 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do in the formation of that wave 3. And before that plays out, we first need to see a reaction of the target area, continue gearing up and see a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark, get a successful retest before we can fully maximize our minimum target areas. And if I zoom out on the charts to also give you what I'm expecting on the long term, you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive crash giving us a low at around the $0.01342 mark, and that is a new bear market low. And after seeing that low, we started a very nice bounce to the upside where we picked in this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.02145 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. We saw a reaction of the target area and started gearing up in what I'm terming now as the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, because of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And in this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, you can now see that we have picked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, and soon I'm expecting that we are going to see a reaction of the target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term here on the Vechain chart. So let's see whether we are going to see a reaction of our target area, and a close outside of our yellow target area might be suggesting further breakdown here on the charts back into this red target area. So let's be cautious on that also. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 34 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.